People say research in science has more impact than social science. But is that really true? Is there any differences or similarities in the PhD scholar's journey across disciplines? Let's break it down. Welcome back to PhD Research Yatra. Let's understand how different is research across disciplines like science and social sciences. Many people assume science has more impact because technologies and medicines are clearly visible. In science and technology research, laboratories become the workplace where experiments, instruments, and data lead to innovations that change how we live. But in social science research, society itself becomes the laboratory, where scholars study people, communities, and institutions to understand and solve social problems. So, science builds technologies and medicines. We can see social science shapes policies, institutions, and behaviors that guide how society functions. Yet, despite these different methods, the life of PhD scholars surprisingly similar. In science and experimental discipline, scholars often wait a long time for results, may need to repeat the experiments many times. In social science research, a major challenge is obtaining relevant primary data on time through interviews, surveys, and fieldwork. And the similar kind of late night works, meeting deadlines, supervisor meetings, bringing either anxiety or motivation, handling paper rejections, and celebrating published papers. Through this journey, scholars develop something beyond a degree that's patience and consistency. So, PhD life is not easy, but the passion for research keeps scholars moving forward. So, different methods, same struggle, same passion, beyond a PhD, a contribution to knowledge. So, stay tuned for more such updates for the research and the scholars journey. Thank you, everyone.